Anyway, I'm just showing you guys my experience with it. This is actually my first one ever doing it. I'm replacing one in an RV, so this is what it looks like. You got that, yeah, whatever. I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. You got your ground wire over here. If you can see that, yeah, ground wire. You got load line. Basically, let's see. I took the old one out. That looks like shit. And so basically, this is my second time actually going back in here. Shut all the power off and had to take this back out. What I found out after YouTubing it and looking it up is that I actually put this in the same exact way. Come to find out, just because it looks exactly the same doesn't mean it should go in like a fucking mold. It's not gonna, you know, I shouldn't have put it in the same exact way. Believe it or not, on this line is on the opposite end. So basically this is backwards. And I thought I had done it right based on, there's a little green light that usually pops on, tells you it works. The green light was working. So it, you know, I thought it was fine. I thought I hooked it up right. Why would the green light be on? Well, apparently it pops on regardless. I couldn't hit this and make it reset. So Googled a little bit, looked up on some shit and found out that's what I did. Everything's backwards. So basically I'm going to switch everything back and, or well, I'm gonna, you know, do a whole switcheroo here and everything should work out pretty good. So I'll let you guys know what happens afterwards. By the way, don't, you know, I'm new at this. I'm just recording this. Hopefully it can help somebody. I know the video is a little bit rambly and possibly not very informative, but yeah, maybe it can help somebody else out. You know, I had a little trouble with this. Is literally my first go around ever replacing an outlet, period. So yeah, hopefully this can help somebody. I'll let you guys see what it looks like after. Here we go. I'll show you guys how it's done. I'll, you know, speed the video up and shit to make it go. You're gonna need a screwdriver for sure. Well, preferably a flathead. I'm actually gonna use a fucking butter knife because I don't have the proper tools. So, handy dandy butter knife. And all I'm doing is switching. Loosen it just enough to pull that out. And obviously make sure your power's turned off. Might want a test light to make sure that there's no juice in yeah, there's no juice going on. I did not check. I just turned the power off and hoping that nothing was gonna happen. Obviously there's no power, so we're good. I don't have to unhook the ground wire because that has nothing to do with that problem here. So this needs to go here to the other side here if I can get this fucker past the goddamn ground wire. There we go. And I hope this shit works afterwards because this is the second time I've already done it. And the fact that I'm recording a video because I'm so confident in that this is the problem. But we will see. We will see. We will see. So that side switched. Make sure it's tight. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, now the other side. Should have done this side first, kind of, actually. Boom, bitch. There's that. This actually isn't taking me that long like I thought it would. So, bitch. Crisscross applesauce, baby. Please let me be right. Definitely make sure that motherfucker's tight. Alright, ground is on there good. Now before I actually put all the gear back on that bitch, I'm actually going to make sure it works this time. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Got a little light I'm going to plug in. We'll check it out. Alright, so I just went ahead and hooked it back up. I didn't put all the stuff on it yet. Probably should have, but I didn't do it because I wasn't sure if I was going to take it apart again. I turned the power on, and I didn't see the green light. So I was thinking, oh shit, it doesn't work. Well, unhooked the power. Came back in, make sure everything was tight. I hooked it up a little bit. I was like, alright, well. Then I thought about something. Alright, let's hook up the power again. And once I did that, came back in and I pushed the red light here, which is reset. Once I did that, it popped, turned red, then it came green. It's a green light now. And I hooked up this wire here to the light. And let's see. So you've got the light there, the light bar, little light bar. And hooking it up now. Let's turn it on. Boom, we have light. So that's how you hook one of those fuckers up. It was actually pretty easy, to be honest. And this is a 15A-125 volt, some shit, something like that. So yeah, that's how it's done. Definitely a newbie at this, so don't quote me on everything. You know, this is just an idea. Hope that helps.